Today, we're diving into the mind-blowing world of artificial intelligence, which is basically like teaching computers to think and learn like humans. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Get ready because we're going to dive into the amazing Sora AI. The birth of Sora AI. Imagine a world where words come alive, where pixels transform into reality. Meet Sora AI, the text-to-video wizard that turns imagination into visual magic. ChatGPT maker OpenAI unveiled Sora, its new artificial intelligence model that can convert text prompts into realistic videos. Sora takes your written descriptions and spins them into masterpieces. Sora turns your words into amazing 60-second videos. It's like having a tiny movie director right at your fingertips. But here's the really amazing thing, Sora makes us question what is true. Every super realistic video it makes might not be real at all. It's hard to tell what's true and what's made up. Remember when we used to believe everything we saw? Well, Sora just changed the game. As Sora gets better and better with more computing power, that's a wrap for today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, keep your eyes wide open, because reality might just be a Sora creation.